My name is David Nelson from Castle Rock, Colorado. I was interested in learning more about this opportunity. And at the end of the first day, there's been so much information. What a wonderful foundation set for the next 2 days. This virtual learning experience provides a lot of flexibility. It's very comfortable. I'm in my own home. Anyhow, I think the investment is minuscule compared to the information that we've learned. Marketing stuff that you never would have thought of. So very helpful, so important. Damon and Diego both obviously have much experience in this. They are sharing not only the things to do, but how to avoid mistakes. It's worth many times the cost of the program. Don't wait. Sign up as soon as you can.